I'm Pat Kraft, and I'm faculty and department chair of the Machine Technology program at Portland Community College. The main focus of the Machine Manufacturing Technology department is to train students to become machinists. What machinists do is they go out and work in industry, and using various equipment they manufacture things. The analogy I always use is that things that aren't made by nature, such as the air and water and the dirt, everything else around us that we use as human beings, such as our buildings, our dinner plates, our food, our cell phones, everything around us that we use, someone has to make that. And our job is to manufacture either those items or the machinery that makes those items. We have a lot of students that come into our program with a wide and diverse background. They come straight out of high school. We have students that are in their 50s and 60s that come through our program. Everybody's here for a different reason. A lot of people are starting their careers. There's some people that have been displaced out of one career field and have been retrained into manufacturing because there are jobs. We also have people that have just been dissatisfied with the kind of jobs they've had, and they want to do something new and they want to do something that's more fulfilling. The manufacturing and machining is a very creative process, and it's very rewarding for some people. We use different technology in our department: lathes, milling machines, computerized equipment, CAD systems, laser scanning, rapid prototyping, and we use different pieces of that depending on the items that we want to make, and mix and match those technologies to get a final product. The days of Star Trek, if anybody's a Trekkie fan, where someone would take a damaged part, they would put it in a replicator, they would scan that part and miraculously have a part to replace that broken one, those days are very close now. For example, this little small chess piece, this rook, we can take a laser scanner in our department, we can digitally scan that and get XYZ dimensional information in multiple pictures of that. We can electronically knit that together with computer software. We can take that to another machine, load it in, and instead of taking a large piece of material and machining that away, we can actually build this part up with plastic in the machine and not cut anything away. Some of the evolving technology that's coming out right now is using these rapid prototyping machines where they're mixing actual DNA and cells from a human being, mixing it in with other materials, and they can actually reproduce body parts that are compatible with that donor's material. We typically go out to high schools and talk to different primarily machining and vocational programs in the Portland metro area. We brought in, typically the last 4 years, 12 different high schools through the spring. We bring them in every Wednesday. We actually do a product or a project on our machinery so they can experience taking a concept to a final part where they actually leave with something that they made on the machinery. We're very proactive in marketing our program, helping people to understand what this trade is, maybe encourage them to think about it as if they have a creative side and they like doing that kind of stuff, to think about this as a career.